All right, we're doing an experiment here with some PaperStone, which is a great surfacing material for countertops. We have put two liquids on here. One is Diet Dr. Pepper, and the other one is coffee. It has been sitting on the PaperStone surface for about 2 weeks, and we just want to show you how easy it is to clean PaperStone and how it does not stain. We will use Method Cleaner and a simple sponge. So the Diet Dr. Pepper, we'll give that a shot. And as you can see, wipes right off, no stain. Let's look at the coffee. That a shot of the Method Cleaner, and it's a little bit tougher, but it comes right off after sitting on the surface for 2 weeks, completely dry, no stain, and good as new.